Legendary souls. Hope you're having a beautiful day. My name is Joff and I assist people raise their vibration. Out here in nature, what a gift. Beautiful scenery, beautiful spot. Happy to be here. Today I'm talking about a breathing technique that I have just stumbled across recently, kind of channeled through me. It's called the 369 breathing method. And this technique can take you from a fight or flight frequency, from a survival frequency, from a anxiety or depression frequency, from any sort of energy imbalance frequency, to calmness, to your energy, to your power, to purity. Like that, 3 minutes. 3 minutes. That's all that this technique, this method asks of you. It doesn't ask for much. Just a little bit, just a bit of discipline, a bit of time, just 3 minutes. Just stop for 3 minutes. I know it could be a bit crazy, but it's not. It's a gift. It's actually a gift. So yeah, this one here, yeah, the 369. I use these numbers. I mean, this was all channeled through me, and this 369 part of this, the element of this breath work, is these are the most powerful numbers of the universe. I've learned numerology for a little bit of time now, and 369, if you do a little bit of research into, you just got to like type in Nikola Tesla 369 and he'll tell you a bit more about it. Nikola Tesla is a very wise man that once said that if you want to know the secrets of the universe, think in terms of energy, frequency, and vibration. Yes. I mean, we won't get into that too much today. That's a bit of a homework. You know, if you want to do a bit of research, check that out. We're going to talk about the breath today. We're going to stick to the breath. And this technique involves 3 components. The first component is a deep breath, so into the nose, out through the mouth. The second component is it's called the potato breath, and all this is such a soft breath, such a light breath, that what it does is activates nasal nitric oxide. And what this actually does is it cleans your blood. So in any given moment, you could be just doing this light, soft breathing, and it's gonna take you from a faster pace to a slower pace, like that. Like, I've been practicing this probably for the last week, and it's been very interesting. I mean, I've known about this for a while, for a couple of years now, this breathing technique, but I've used it in this formation that I'm just about to share with you guys. And I'm gonna do a longer video of this in the future. I just wanted to get this one out, just to kind of get a bit of feedback. So if you'd like to make a comment down below, or share whatever experience you had, please feel free to do that, or share it with someone once we get through this video. Yes. So 369. So yeah, the 6 is this potato breath, which is such a soft breath, such a light breath, that you're going to be feeling the nostril hairs just ever so slightly moving, just breathing in and out. It's such a simple breath, so simple, and we all have access to it in any given moment. So it's 6 of these potato breaths, and then the 9 part's like all about my videos. It's about do what you feel. So the 9 part can be continue with your potato breath journey and do 9 more of them, or even just 9 seconds of them, however many that turns out to be. Because usually on the in-breath with this potato breath, it's about, everyone's different. Every single one's different. Every being here is different. So maybe it's 7 seconds in, pause, 7 seconds out. Hold that continuous breath. So 7 seconds in, 7 seconds out. Whatever though, it could be more, it could be 11, it could be 15. I'm not sure. Everyone's got a different breathing capacity. So yeah, the 9 component of this method is a do what you feel. So it means, do you want to just contemplate for the next 9 seconds after you've done the 3 and 6 component, or do you want to feel into the sensations of your body and what's just taken place, what's shifted, what's moved? If it's a little bit of a lightheadedness, or if you're kind of, how do I put it? If you have a shortness of breath, it's actually a really positive thing. It means that it's working. Because what this is doing is this, in this real slow, precise breath, it's bringing oxygen all the way through your body. It's even cleansing the blood and the blood circulation in your mind, in your brain, like up in your the upper part of your body, not just your lungs and below. It's just a whole grand spectrum. It just allows the circulation to be fully flowing. Absolute gift this is. I'm going to go in a bit more detail in the longer version, but this is good enough. This is actually really good. It's perfect. Sometimes simplicity, well, not always. I mean, not sometimes, always for me. Simplicity is the best. That's why I think that we don't need to know everything. Sometimes it's just best to feel into the vibration, to feel into the resonance, if it's actually resonating with you, and then give it a go and trust it. You know, when you get too much information, it can complicate it, become complex, and it's like, fuck that. All right. Anyway, let's go. Without further ado, let's do the three deep breaths, the 6 Buteyko breaths, and then the 9 do what you feel, the 9 seconds or the 9 more Buteyko breaths of feeling into the sensations of your body, feeling into any energy that that's leaving, whatever it is. It's a do what you feel component of it. All right, so let's do it. We're gonna go 3 deep breaths right now. Let's go. Six of these Buteyko breaths. All right, if I've interrupted you, apologies, all right? But the thing is that you can practice this now whenever you like. If you were going deep with yourself just then, or really, going through any sort of shortness of breath or any sort of experience right then, good on you. Good on you, well done. It's all positive. It's all really positive. And this is a breathing technique that you can apply to your experience every day, if you like. I've been bringing it in ever since I've learned this. This kind of got channeled through me. I've brought it in every single day, and I tell you what, it's working a beauty. It's working a beauty. So the 3-6-9 breathing technique, breathing method is something that, please share it. If you feel something, and you really felt a bit more clarity, a bit more clear with yourself, please even share some comments down below. Let me know what you feel. And share this with someone you feel it may resonate with, if that resonates with you. Ooh, it's a big resonation sensation in this experience, isn't it? It's beautiful. Anyway, I reckon that'll do it for this one here. So I hope you enjoyed that, and look after yourselves. In any given moment, the breath is a powerful tool we all have access to. All of us, every single one of us. Experiment, please experiment. It's a great idea. Experiment with different breathing techniques, and it'll assist you. Anyway, with an open mind and an open heart, anything, and I mean anything, is possible. Peace and love to you all.